starting from the booking phase, right? The Mahindra team had helped me with all the project details, and once during the allotment day, they helped us with all the details of the project. Allotment was little funny. I mean, whatever units we preferred, by the time we came, everything was sold out.
Whenever he's stuck in the traffic, he's like, I don't want to live anymore in the Bangalore. But right now, what I am feeling, if we connected to metro, then he can go through this and then we will be like, okay, fine, we can stay more here. Just because of Mahindra.
The decision was very quick. So we did not have to think twice before going ahead with Mahindra, because the facilities they provided were best when compared to the other properties around. What I liked about it the most, there is also gym and also the clubhouse and also the pet park. So in case think of getting a pet in future, so it's all sorted.
It was one of the best layouts so far that we have seen, and that was the biggest selling point for me particularly.
We just moved to Bangalore a couple of years back, and honestly we never thought that okay, we'll buy a house here.
So this was love at first sight for us.
For
actually.
her it took
Yeah.
me about a month to do all the research.
I was like, no, you have to get this flat for me.